On the Singer Promise 2, model 1512, there is a way to cover up your feed dogs if you don't want them to touch your fabric. Now, this is just a cover. You can't lower the feed dogs on this machine, or feed teeth as some people call it. But as you notice that this little cover has a place for the needle to stitch and do any of your stitches, zigzag and such. But if you want to cover it up, you need to align these little notches on the side, the little pegs, into these holes. So if you've ever wondered what those holes are for, it's for this particular cover. You do just need to make sure that you have it on the correct way. If you have it on opposite, then the needle will not go down through that opening. So just double check that once you slide this into place and kind of push down, that you are lined up with the needle going down through the hole. So where would you cover up the feed dogs? Some people do it for free motion quilting. Sewing on buttons is another place where you don't want the machine to move the fabric through while you're doing a zigzag in the holes of a button, and that would be an excellent place to actually use it. So that is super easy to pop on, and then you just lift it off and then slide it in your accessory box when you're done.